everybody. We're on the Beverly Trestle, and they got this bridge remodeled a few years ago, and we've been on it a couple times. It's always great to cross over the Columbia River, and so I'm hoping to share the experience with you guys today. It's like extremely windy, and feels like it's going to blow us off the bridge. Let's go ahead and get started. So basically I'm just going to let the camera roll almost as if you guys were walking on the bridge with me. Capture the movement of the girders right there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a crack in a hole in the bridge, and we can see the water down below. Well, that's not good. There's a piece of the bridge down there. Oh man, it looks like it broke off from right here. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, possibly. Okay, we're at the end of the bridge. I noticed the geo marker. I might try to get over there. I think unless I have to hop the fence. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's really windy on the trestle, and kind of reminded me of several months ago when we were on Candy Mountain. you haven't seen those videos, you should check them out, because the wind is always fun to be in. Anyway, so it was great day. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, share and subscribe, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Great deal, and I will see you next time.